Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I am your English teacher. Take out your English textbook. Dear students, in previous lecture we have started a chapter and the name of the chapter is Sugar and Spice. We studied about Madiha and Madiha's mother, that it was Saturday and Madiha was getting ready for her birthday party, and Madiha and her mother made fresh cinnamon cake every year. So Madiha was waiting in the kitchen for her mother. Now let's see what happened next. So open page number 10. Madiha's mother come into the kitchen and took her apron from a hook on the wall. Apron means overall. It means that a garment worn to protect clothes. Let me show you its picture. This is an apron and it is used to protect clothes. So Madiha's mother came into the kitchen and took her apron from a hook on the wall. Instead of putting it on, though, she lifted it over Madiha's head. Okay, she lifted it over Madiha's head. Surprised Madiha stood as her mother tied the strings of the apron behind her. Strings means rope. So she tied the strings of the apron behind her, behind Madiha. As we can see in the picture that Madiha is wearing an apron. Okay. So what happened next? Madiha, I think you are old enough to mix the batter yourself this year. Batter means the liquid mixture of ingredients used in baking. So I am sure you can do it. Remember what we say. Okay, Madiha's mother said that I think you are old enough to mix the batter yourself this year and I am sure you can do it. Remember what we say. Yes, baking is just a little sugar and a spice. They often say this line that baking is just a little sugar and a little spice. Okay, that's right, said Madiha's mother. Now go ahead means go in front and start. I'm going to blow up the balloons. With that, she left Madiha alone in the kitchen. Okay. Now what happened next? Maybe her mother was right. Maybe there wasn't much to it. Carefully, Madiha measured out the ingredients and poured them into a big bowl. Carefully, she mixed the batter until it was perfectly smooth. Madiha was doing her work very carefully. She measured out the ingredients and she poured all the ingredients into a big bowl and she mixed the batter until it was perfectly smooth. Okay, cautiously she poured the batter into the cake pan. Cautiously means vigilant or careful watching. So she poured the batter into the cake pan. Then she called her mother. So when she mixed the batter, she called her mother. It's ready to go into the oven, Madiha said to her mother. Her mother turned on the oven, set the temperature and poked the pan in the oven. Poke means to go for a short time. So she poked the pan in the oven. Madiha had actually done it. When the cake came out, though something seemed wrong. Okay, when the cake came out from the oven, there was something wrong with the cake. Madiha tried to poke it with a toothpick. Poke means a sudden touch with one's finger or with a sharp or pointed thing. Like we call it poke, or with a object, with a sharp object like this. It is called poke. Okay. And with a toothpick, you already know that what is toothpick. Just as her mother always did. So the toothpick wouldn't go through. The toothpick wouldn't go through. The cake was almost as hard as a rock. It means that cake was very hard. That's why the toothpick wouldn't go through. I did exactly what I was supposed to. It means that Madiha said, I did exactly what I assumed to. So Madiha moaned. Moan means a long, low sound. So because she was very upset, so that's why she moaned. I was so careful. I didn't put the eggs in until last. And I measured the baking soda exactly. She said that I measured the baking soda exactly. Baking soda? Oh dear, that's the problem. Her mother said that baking soda? Oh dear, that's the problem. You were supposed to use baking powder. Okay, Madiha did a mistake, and the mistake was she put the baking soda in place of putting baking powder. So that's the problem. You were supposed to use baking powder. Madiha began to cry. I'm sorry, mom. I tried so hard. As you can see in the picture, this one is baking soda. As you can see, the baking soda color is pure white and it is very soft in touch. And on the second hand, you can see the baking powder. It looks like a powder and its color is off-white, a little bit off-white, and it looks very rough. Okay, so when Madiha began to cry, Madiha's mother gave her a big hug. I'm the one who's sorry. I expected too much and was hard on you. It means that she was expecting too much from Madiha. So I guess you could say I used too little sugar and too much spice. Madiha laughed and her mother laughed too. It means that they often say that baking is just a little sugar and a little spice. So she changed her sentence and she said that I used too little sugar and too much spice. So that's why Madiha laughed and her mother laughed too. Now let's try again, said Madiha's mother. This time we will do it together. So her mother said that we will try it again and this time we will do it together. So I think it's clear to you. This is enough for today. Thank you so much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.